My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new adware type application called Electronic Personal. Electronic Personal stands for a new adware that attacks Safari, Google Chrome, and other Mac-related browsers. This adware, called Electronic Personal, once installed, starts to periodically display pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if this adware was found on your computer somehow, make sure you get rid of it, otherwise it will just keep disturbing you greatly. To remove this adware, check your applications, right-click on it and move it to the trash. And if you find anything else which is suspicious, be sure to get rid of it. Finally, to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I do recommend that you carefully investigate your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. By going to the website combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.